Hey guys, welcome to this episode of Ready Set Crypto. So today we're going to be talking about what's been going on recently with Bitcoin and Ethereum and really the whole market as a whole. Bitcoin's record-setting surge continued over this weekend as prices topped $9,000 for the first time ever. The world's #1 digital currency has been on a relentless surge since mid-November as investors bought the dip following the failed activation of SegWit2x. Bitcoin has reached a high of just over $9,700, and prices have since moderated but are still up and possibly climbing. At last check, Bitcoin captured a total market cap of over $162 billion. With its latest gain, Bitcoin has added nearly 1,000% to its market cap since January 1st of this year. Bitcoin's record-setting surge has made it the world's 30th largest currency. In doing so, it's overtaken the Singapore dollar and the United Arab Emirates dirham, among others. The coin's market cap is approaching big-name institutional players such as MasterCard or the Dow's major blue-chip stocks such as 3M, Caterpillar, IBM, and Bank of America. People are flocking to digital currency. One of the top currency exchanges, Coinbase, user growth has been nearly vertical. It recently overtook the number of users of Charles Schwab. The total market capitalization for all cryptocurrencies spiked over $300 billion for the first time ever. For perspective, it was at $100 billion on August 1st and $13 billion 1 year ago today. Bitcoin, despite coming close to losing its throne in June, has remained above 40% of the total market cap for the entire market since July 1st, currently capturing 53% of it. Everyone who called Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies a bubble or scam has been proven wrong. Ever since we got over all that fear, uncertainty, and doubt, the market has surged upward and hasn't really looked back. At this point, it seems euphoria has taken hold, with talks of bubbles and tops now reaching a fever pitch. For some, none of it feels real. Disbelief is widespread, just as the expectation is that this will all eventually crash. But will it? And if so, when? There's no Mt. Gox anymore, and maybe Bitfinex will act as the new Mt. Gox. Or, we've got Tether, which was recently hacked and hard forked to circumvent it, issuing 20 million more Tether today. Scam ICOs and clear pyramid schemes such as BitConnect continue to capture more and more market cap, but without some black swan event, can all of this actually go on, or has it reached its saturation point? Regarding how we got here, a confluence of factors have aided Bitcoin in achieving the monumental highs we've seen this year, with institutional demand being one of the biggest. Chicago-based exchanges CME Group and CBOE have announced plans to introduce Bitcoin futures in the near term, giving institutional investors more leeway in accessing cryptocurrency. Coinbase is also planning for the upsurge in institutional money. According to CEO Brian Armstrong, roughly $10 billion worth of institutional capital will flow into the Bitcoin market in the coming months. In time, this could easily add hundreds of billions of dollars to Bitcoin and crypto's already massive market cap. Meanwhile, several big-name investors and even celebrities have given highly bullish valuations of cryptocurrency. Billionaire investor Mike Novogratz stated that institutional investors are close to adopting Bitcoin and that the price of Bitcoin or Ethereum is going to go much higher. And that's coming a lot closer than people think. The institutionalization of this space is coming, and it's coming pretty quick. Novogratz predicted Bitcoin would hit $10,000 by the end of the year and that Ethereum would pass $500, which in a lot of ways became a self-fulfilling prophecy as Ethereum had been in a months-long consolidation and, like a spring wound too tight, exploded last week past its former all-time high, reaching close to $500. For many, Bitcoin is bound to reach $10,000 by the end of the year. While that may have seemed improbable even just a few weeks ago, prices are now clearly heading towards that psychological milestone. Google searches for Bitcoin are at an all-time high. Institutional investors are clearly coming. Bitcoin regulated futures are soon to launch, and the asset has risen to the global stage. So, what will Bitcoin do with it? Will it run away from this new fame or embrace a new age? Will it betray its roots and become sedated? Or will it proudly lay claim to its intellectual base? Will this asset really change the world and become a usable global currency, or is it all far too early? Is it ready for anything, including whatever is happening right now, or has the cart once again been put before the horse? Has the market rightly chosen, or is the market ill-informed? When will the music stop on this game of musical chairs? Is this the calm storm before the storm? Do the answers to any of these questions even matter? I mean, should we just enjoy this miraculous year for what it is? Because hopefully, whatever happens from now on, is a worldwide recognition of a new invention that promises to continue the digital revolution and upgrade many aspects to movable code. If there has been too much enthusiasm, few can be guilty. For what else is there to hold in high regard so greatly than a new world this space promises? A world that looks to the future, a world that aims for prosperity, equity, and advancement, a world that is being reimagined and in the process allowing us to dream once more. After decades of wealth inequality and global crises caused by the central banking systems, corruption, and greed, it's about time value creation takes the center stage. After decades of hate and division, it's about time that a phenomena rises that unites us all, and we can share in this brave new world that we're building together. It makes sense that the future belongs to a currency that goes across borders, that goes across divisions that have normally separated us. Like it or not, this is the way we're moving forward. You can either get on board or be stuck in the past. Bitcoin and crypto are here to stay. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this video was helpful and made you think a little bit. If you enjoyed the video, I'd be honored if you gave it a like. And if you're new here and want to continue to see high quality crypto analysis, by all means hit that subscribe button and definitely check out my other videos too. All right, see you guys in the next one. Peace.